Hi, PowerSchool with Mrs. Smith. Every teacher does it differently, so let me give you a little lowdown from my class. Let's first talk about grades that aren't calculated into the final average. You can see on this sample student's PowerSchool post that they have a 100% average in the class, but down here there's a 46.67% score. It's the pre-assessment. You guys all have recently taken that, and you may have noticed that this number was posted in PowerSchool, but here's proof it's not calculated. I am leaving the number up there for your information. You'll see later on in the course when you take other assessments that your score goes up. So this is proof that you're learning. Let's look at this student. This is an example of you ain't turned it in. This student has a 0 on the assignment because I have looked for it, could not identify it, therefore scored a 0 on the Who Am I Padlet. That student has a 50% average in the class from one missing assignment. Zeros are bad. Don't earn zeros. Example number 3, missing assignments. This student has not turned in the Who Am I Padlet yet. So I've looked for it and I've not caught theirs. This applies for some of you, and you're saying right now, I've turned it in. Well, maybe you did, but your name wasn't on it. So if you see this orange mark, that means I'm noting the assignment as missing right now. I've not marked it as a 0. So reach out to me and let's see what's going on. You still have the 100, but we've got to address this before we move on. Incomplete assignments, example number 4. Lots of us have this for the Who Am I Padlet. Notice the student right now still has a 100. The blue mark, which indicates an incomplete assignment, is not poorly affecting the grade, but it does show that something needs to be completed. Most of us need to just give access to the link so that I can view it. And then we will be able to add the grade in. Notice too, on all of these, there is a comments block up here. I love comments in PowerSchool. For this particular assignment, all you had to do was post the Padlet correctly and earn a 100. So read the comments, know what the scores mean, and then reach out if you still have a question.